Hello everyone! Very exciting news for my DaVinci Resolve users, as MotionVFX has just launched their final price cut promotion. This is their biggest sale of the entire year, and I really wanted to make a video about it. I want to show you what the deal actually is, and of course I will show you my top 3 MotionVFX plugins that I would genuinely recommend to you if you want to grab something during this sale. So here's the promotion in the nutshell. Now you have until December 7th to get 30% off store-wide with code FINAL, up to 50% off flash sales every Monday, 15% off Cine Studio and Design Studio subscriptions, and MotionVFX plugins work not only for DaVinci Resolve, but also for Final Cut and Adobe Premiere. And here are my top 3 MotionVFX plugins. First up, M-Drama. This one is incredible for instantly adding cinematic tension building effects, and let me show you how to use it. I do have my plugin already installed in my Resolve, so I will go to my effects, and then I will search for the Drama plugin in the toolbox, and this way I get an access to all 79 elements that are split into different categories. And first I have here a few different backgrounds. And also, if you don't have this plugin yet, you can go to the MotionVFX website. My affiliate link is below this video. And you can preview all of these elements here. But let's come back. And I'm not able to go through all of them today, so let me focus on the ones that I like the most. Here we have some effects that can help us transform our shots with one click. This is, for example, cracked glass we can use. We can basically use it to combine 2 clips together. Then, for example, film dust overlay. Then this refracted glass effect, that's very cool. Then we've got the frame, and let's maybe take this one and drag it and drop it onto our clip, as each of these effects is fully customizable. So let me show you how easy it is to do it. We can do it here in the Effects tab. So here we can change the frame position, and then also the width and the height. And then I can also change the color of it. And let's have a look. Okay, there's a lot of room to play around with these effects. Now let's move to the second clip. And let's try the mirroring effect. So let's drag it and drop it. It's a quite funny effect. But here we can also adjust the mirror controls. And we can also adjust the angle. Let's have a look. It's quite cool. And then we have, for example, the alt photo effect or the photography effect. And they are also all drag and drop, so very quick to use. Then we have some movements. So in case we have a very static shot, like this one, for example, we can make it look interesting. For example, by using this multiple zoom effect that adds some cool dynamic to it. And then we have some add-ons, so let's move to another clip. We have quite a lot of empty frame here, so we can, for example, add this diagram overlay to make it look more interesting, like this. And then we can obviously customize it in the Effects tab. Now let's move to the typography. We have here a lot of animated titles and lower thirds, like this one. We can simply scroll through them over here and pick something that suits the style of our video. And then at the end, we have some unique transitions. I really like this silhouette one. It's a cool idea for the video, just have a look. Pretty cool. Next is M-Title Film, probably my favorite MotionVFX title pack for Resolve. These titles are super cinematic, minimal, film-inspired, and they instantly elevate any project. They are obviously very easy to customize. Let's grab this boxer one. Then let's change the scale and the position. Then the actual text. Now maybe the font. then the color, and tracking. And a few moments later, we have our customized title. And third, M transition, noise. This one is fun. It adds gritty, textured, noisy transitions that feel organic, not flashy, not cheap, not overdone. We have here 69 different noise transitions for DaVinci Resolve that feel like part of the image rather than something slapped on top. So remember, the final price cut runs until December the 7th. If you want to check out the promotion, please use my affiliate link that's below this video. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.